that. With the president's vaccine mandate now struck down, a new exclusive NewsNation poll shows most Americans do not trust the president when it comes to info about COVID-19. Just 16% say they trust Joe Biden. Dr. Fauci's numbers are not much better, and it's even worse for the news media and the CDC. Kelly Meyer from our nation's capital now. So, Kelly, some pretty interesting poll results.
Yeah, Nichole, stop and think about these results. American institutions once held up as models of authority trusted around the globe, the CDC, the NIH, even the presidency itself, now eroding into once unthinkable lows in public opinion. President Joe Biden's approval rating tumbling to new lows when it comes to the coronavirus pandemic. Exclusive polling you'll only see on NewsNation showing just 16% of Americans trust President Biden when it comes to information surrounding COVID-19, meaning about 85% of Americans do not believe the information coming from the White House on COVID. They also don't trust Dr. Anthony Fauci. According to the NewsNation Decision Desk poll, just 31% of Americans trust Dr. Fauci, while about 70% do not. Trust in the news media, just 10%. When it comes to Biden's overall handling of the pandemic, about 18% strongly approve, while about 35% strongly disapprove. Today, Biden trying to assure Americans his administration is getting the pandemic under control.
COVID-19 is one of the most formidable enemies America's ever faced. We've got to work together.
White House promising free, high-quality masks for whoever wants one, and adding an additional 500 million free at-home COVID tests on top of the 500 million promised to arrive at homes this month.
We're on track to roll out a website next week where you can order free tests shipped to your home.
Today, Democrats defending the administration's job, saying as the pandemic lifts, so will the president's poll numbers.
I think you're going to see some really strong economic trends continue into the spring, and people will be feeling more confident to live in a normal way again amidst this health pandemic. And I think if that's the case, the feelings and the polling data of today may look very, very different when you come to April and May.
Republicans on Capitol Hill say it's the administration's messaging that has confused the public, adding to the chaos of the pandemic and leading to the lack of trust in the president.
There's a reason to be distrustful because they made bad decisions.
Nichole, lawmakers on both sides of the aisle frustrated that we're where we are now, 2 years into the pandemic. But according to our poll, nearly half of Americans think this pandemic will never end. Nichole?
All right. Thank you for that, Kelly. Well, you can read the full results of our extensive poll at newsnationnow.com and on our NewsNation Now app. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.